consists of three identical units. Unit 1 is used for his own residence. Unit 2 is used by Mr. Ashok for his profession, and Unit 3 is let out for residential purposes. Mr. Ashok provides the following particulars related to his house property for the assessment year 2023-24. Mr. Ashok has not opted for new tax regime under section 115 BAC. Fair rent of each unit is rupees 60,000 per annum. 60. Annual rent received for unit 3 is rupees 72,000 per annum. Municipal taxes due were rupees 18,000, out of which rupees 15,000 have actually been paid during the year. Clear? Then Mr. Ashok has taken a loan of rupees on 1st April 2020. Mr. Ashok borrowed a loan of rupees 5 lakhs at the rate of interest of 12% per annum for the construction of the property. And the construction of the property was completed on 21st April 2022. Okay. So, you are required to compute the income from house property in the hands of Mr. Ashok for the assessment year 2023-24. Clear? Anything is remaining? Unit 1, three identical units are there. Unit 1 is self-occupied property. As it is self-occupied, no tax will be chargeable, but interest reduction will be given under section 24B. Unit 2 is used by Mr. Ashok for his own business and profession. So all expenses and incomes will not be chargeable to house property. It will be either debited or credited to profit and loss account, expenses and incomes. So this part is no calculations for house 2, part 2. Part 3, unit 3 is let out for residential purposes. It is clearly taxable property. So we will calculate with 3 steps, unit 3. And interest will also be deductible as Mr. Ashok has opted for old tax regime. Clear? So clearly interest is deductible in both the property, self-occupied as well as let out property. So I hope it is understood. Okay. Now pre-construction period interest we will calculate first. Working note number 1. Pre-construction period starts from date of loan. Date of loan, if you will see in the problem, it is 1st April 2020 and ends on immediately preceding 31st March before DOC. DOC means date of completion of construction. So date of completion is what? 21st April 2021. Before that 31st March is 2021. So this period is 24 months, 2 years. Pre-construction period. He wants deduction. Okay. So 5 lakhs loan amount into 12 by 100, 12%. So 60,000 per annum interest is payable. 60,000 for 1 year. For 2 years it is 1,20,000. Such pre-construction period interest is deductible in 5 equal annual installments. एक ही साल में उसको पूरा 1,20,000 डिडक्शन मिलेगा क्या? नहीं मिलेगा. Condition is what? 5 equal annual installments. So what we will do? 1,20,000 into 1 by 5 is equal to 24,000 per year. If you see the calculation, we are there in 2023-24 assessment year. This year 24,000, 24-25, 24,000, 25-26, 26-27, 27-28, 24,000. This way, in consecutive, continuous 5 years, 1,20,000 deduction will be given. Every year, while filing return of income to the Department of Income Tax, you will have to attach that calculation with return of income. Clear? Now this is about pre-construction. What is current year interest? Now current year interest is 5 lakhs into 12%, 60,000. Current year is 22-23 previous year. 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023. This is your current year. So 5 lakh into 12%, 60,000 plus pre-construction period interest we will consider 24,000. So total interest deduction for the assessment year 2023-24 is 84,000. Now 84,000 is for whole house. For full 3 units 84,000. So per unit if you want, so 84,000 divided by 3 units. So per unit interest deduction is 28,000. This will be allowed 28,000 for self-occupied property and 28,000 for let out property. And for unit 2, it may be debited to profit and loss account. It is another head of income, not in house property. So I hope it is understood. If any question is there, you can ask me. Any question, any doubt. 28,000 per unit house property in the hands of Mr. Ashok. Unit 1 is self-occupied property. So gross annual value nil. No tax deduction will be allowed as it is self-occupied property. Net annual value automatically nil. 30% of 0 is 0. Interest is deductible. Working note number 1, section 24B, 28,000. So loss from unit 1, 28,000. This 28,000 is loss due to interest. This is benefit to an assessor. Now we will calculate unit 3. Unit 3 is clearly let out property. So 3 steps are there. Step 1, municipal valuation or fair rate, whichever is higher. Higher is 60,000 as municipal value is not given. Higher of step 1 60 or standard rate not given in the question. Not given means not applicable. Step 3 lower of step 2 60,000 or actual rent received is given to you 72,000 per annum. 60 or 72, whichever is higher. Here is 72,000. That is our gross annual value. So gross annual value 72,000 minus municipal taxes 5,000. Why 5,000? See, municipal taxes are 18,000 total, out of which 15,000 are actually paid. We provide deduction for municipal taxes only when municipal taxes are actually paid by the assessee, Mr. Ashok, not by the tenant. Now he has paid 15,000, but 15,000 is for whole house. How many units are there? 3. So 15,000 divided by 3. 5,000 per unit I have given deduction. So 5,000. Shall I hope it is understood? Focus. So net annual value is 67,000 after deducting municipal taxes. 2 deductions we have to provide. Section 24A, 30% of net annual value standard deduction or statutory deduction. So 20,100. Second is interest. We have already done working note. Working note number 1. So 28,000 interest. Total is 48,100 deducted from 67,000 net annual value. So remaining is taxable income from unit 3, 18,900. Now we will show gross effect. Total income from house property. Total income if you will see. Unit 1 is loss, say 28,000. So unit 1 is minus 28,000 plus income from unit 3, 18,900. So 28,000 minus 18,900. Overall result is loss from house property 9,100. And all calculations of unit 2 will be shown in another head of income, that is profits and gains from business and profession. So it will be shown, effect will be shown to profit and loss account about interest, municipal taxes, everything, repairs, that is given to unit 2, profit and gains from business and profession. Shall I hope it is understood? If any question is there, you can ask me any question, any doubts. That's all.